Hello everyone and welcome to IELTS Speaking Part 1. And now I'm going to discuss about either you can give your answers in negative or not. So অনেক সময় আমরা নেগেটিভ আনসার বলতে চাই বাট উই আর কনফিউজ যে আসলে এক্সামিনার কি ভাববে, আমরা কি দিতে পারবো নেগেটিভ আনসার্স বা এরকম কিছু। So the thing is that just tell the truth. It's fine to say you don't like something. So let's look around the examples. Like, do you like dancing? No, I don't like dancing. I'm not a big music fan, and dancing just makes me feel uncomfortable and self-conscious. Has anyone ever taught you to dance? No, I have never been interested in learning to dance. So I've never taken any lessons or asked anyone to show me how to do it. Do you think that traditional dancing will be popular in the future? I'm afraid. I have no idea because I don't follow what's happening in the dancing world. I suppose it will always be popular with some people. So the main thing is that whatever your question says, if you answer it in positive or negative, that doesn't matter. Thing is that you need to focus on how you're gonna present your good choice of words, or how you're going with your fluent, how you're going with the pronunciation, how you are adding up things, how you are uh, going for contrasting opinions and something like that. That's the important thing here.